Let's check on the ladies' progress washing the clothes. Oh, look at that beautiful one. My God. How we doing, ladies? Folks, check out this tropical environment of our backyard. Look at that. Look at that. Now the washing clothes right here. Hanging them up to dry on the line. Underneath the guava tree. With my bamboo furniture over there. And behind me, I can't show the young man because he's in his birthday suit. The Forrest G is swimming in his swimming pool. Oh shit, I need to put an ND filter on here. There we go. The ladies are so excited about me barbecuing today that they have the meat, the vegetables, everything prepared. And we're going to be cooking over there on the Joy charcoal grill. The only problem is we don't have any ooling. Baby, is it ooling or candine? Ooling. Ooling's charcoal. We don't have any charcoal. So the ladies are going to have to go out and get some charcoal because I'm working on a video for you guys and I'm working. Look at that. Folks, that's our dryer. And we got these wires that run all through the guava tree. So these ladies got plenty of room to hang the wet clothes. You know how much that costs us to dry them clothes? Zero. Zero emissions. Zero carbon footprint on our dryer. Folks, this dude, like I said, he's in a birthday suit. And show you his head here. He is chilling like a villain in that hot tub. Laid back. They gave him a lollipop from somewhere. He chewing on a lollipop. Laid back. Got his mind on his money and his money on his mind. Loving it. Look at this shade. Shade of the guava tree. My gosh. Hold on a second. Hold on. Ladies, I see less guava on the tree. And I suspect Janice stole that guava.
Just one only?
Honey, when you say one only about 4 times a day, there's not going to be any guava on the guava tree.
That's a guava tree. If you want to eat just it.
I think you consider it the guava tree for me.
That's not yours.
I'm not saying it's mine, honey. But you know.
For us.
Well, I think by tomorrow there won't be any guava on the guava tree because Janice.
Just say goodbye to guava. Stay there and
Baby, just try to eat like one a day, not multiple times a day. This poor tree. Don't do it, baby. Don't do it. That tree is not rated. Oh my God, it's not rated. It's not rated. Oh baby, no, don't do it. Folks, you finna see a branch break and a Filipina come tumbling down. Beautiful girl. Cause I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Whoa, whoa, baby, whoa. That thing about to come out of the ground. Whoa. I gotta slow it down. Let me get a slow song. Ready? And I. Folks, I know you're jealous. Can your wife climb a guava tree? Probably not. Wife number 2 can climb it. And last night, wife number 1 was up in the top of that thing right there. Cause she like a chungo. You see the stress I'm under here in the Philippines, my friends. These beautiful ladies. Now they made a shower here. This is where they shower. Now, I don't know if I'll include that footage in this video or make a separate video, but these ladies were showering together last night with the outdoor shower. Fatima, can you show everybody how you can climb the guava tree? Go ahead, baby. That's it. Go, Fatima. Go, Fatima. Oh, look at that. That little rump. That's a rump roast. You'd need 2 crock pots for that rump. Easy, baby. Oh my gosh, she's getting the guavas from the top. What can we do? What can I do?
Meron nga.
Honey, did you ever see Jack and the Beanstalk? Beautiful girl. My God. Fatima, I gotta tell you a secret, baby. You are so lucky to be with me, honey. Janice, don't be trying to smoke my cigar, baby. Folks, chilling in the backyard right here. I'm finna fire up the Joy charcoal grill. And what we got, baby? Chicken or chops?
Chicken.
All right, so we got chicken, vegetables, and some corn. What I'm finna do is fire up the Joy charcoal grill. Shout out to Jimbo, damn it, man. Dude, folks, when you barbecue, you like your barbecue with your bills. Get you a big old glass of whiskey and a cigar. You light them bills up like cat, in the words of Cat Wing. Fuck that light bill. Let's see if one light, if I can get a tune out of this trombone. Bring it on over here, baby. Look at that. I'm burning them. I got so many bills. I can start 100 charcoal fires. Thank you, baby. Folks, look at there. Coming there with a cold sing high. And I told y'all, if you go to Royal on SBMA, there ain't no sing high because I bought every goddamn bottle they had. Folks, I couldn't pull it off with that equipment. Apparently, I didn't have as many fucking bills as I thought I did. So Janice is taking over. Alright, we're gonna do the ED filter too. But folks, if you want to start a charcoal grill in the Philippines, don't even try. Just let your Filipino do it. Been doing it for 20 years. They're experts at it. And plus they look beautiful when they're doing it. We foreign guys are just going to look like a fool trying to start Filipino charcoal. Just let them do it. Just listen to what I'm telling you. Fatima, a big ant bit me on my big toe. This is crucial information for you. Are you concerned for my big toe getting bit by this red ant?
Ikaw mo, hindi ko concern sa tummy namin na nagugutom. Sa toast mo.
I think both you ladies should be very concerned that the king got bit on his big toe by an ant. Are you concerned? Hello, Earth to Fatima. You're hungry. Honey, I'm talking about the welfare and safety and well-being of my big toe that just got bit by an ant. Could you please try to show a little compassion for the king, baby? Ow! Janice, stop hitting me with the cardboard. Folks, we're still working on the internet. I got my man over here. We got fire going on. Now, folks, we had to put the fire around the corner because our neighbor, well, we do too, got all these clothes hanging up on the line, and I was smoking them out. We were smoking them out, so we put it around the corner. But it's time for me to go to town on these chops. Drinking a cold beer. After about 5 fireballs and cokes. Living the dream, folks. Living the dream. Forrest G's happy. My ladies are happy. Is that a kuto? You got a she got a kuto? She have a kuto? I don't know what a quackle is. Folks, kuto is lice, head lice, right? And they're common in the tropics. Okay, well, I'm asking, what's a quackle? You just pulled a quackle out of her hair. I don't know, folks. Alright, folks, I'm manning the camera. Janice is going to man the grill. And I want you to take a look at that chicken going on the Joy charcoal stove. Courtesy of Jimbo, damn it, man. Shout out to you. Hope you're doing well over there, my friend. Look at that chicken going on there. Janice is doing a great job. Living and dying, the choices I've made. Damn, I love George Jones. I saw that dog in concert so many times, I couldn't even tell you how many times I saw him. The best concert, probably the best concert I ever been to in my life was George Jones at the Crystal Chandelier in Kennesaw, Georgia, sometime around 95, 96, somewhere in there, maybe 94. That place was so packed out, my friends, it was standing room only. He rocked the fucking house. Rest in peace, Mr. George Jones, because you certainly impacted my life, my friend, and I love you. Baby, the chicken's on fire. Yeah, put a little water on there, baby. Tame it out, tame it out. If the neighbors' clothes smell like chicken, they'll give me a tip for it. Baby, I can't hold a corn and narrate and run the camera at the same. Oh, look at that booty coming by. She's trying to, folks, she comes out here and tries to hand me 2 ears of corn while I'm trying to run a world-class cooking show and narration here. Baby, don't burn your hair now. I was born, there were voices. Tell me right from wrong. Let's try ND filter. Oh yeah, more beautiful. Folks, running a camcorder, you got these 3 built-in ND filters. You don't realize the value of it, but the value is wonderful. Come on, baby, put some water on that chicken. You always complain about me burning the chicken. You got a fire department about to show up out here because of this chicken. Oh, shit.
The chicken is so fat.
Neighbor's gonna kill me. More water, baby. She's gonna kill you.
Sorry.
Sorry, lady. Sorry, but my ladies are cooking and smoking out your clothes over there, baby. I'm sorry. But you know what? You can try my chicken. Baby, make sure you give her a big piece of chicken because we just smoked out her laundry. My God, I feel horrible. Janice, Janice, do you feel bad about smoking out the neighbor's clothes? She's cursing you right now, but once she takes a taste of that chicken, then she might not be.
Oh, inano pa niya ni Mar. Kaya mag-ano eh. Ng bahay. Nagluluto lang tayo.
I got a question. Why do you show up and start giving orders, and you ain't even? I don't even know what you're talking about, baby.
May bata dyan ah.
You just show up and start yakking with a knife in your hand. What you finna do with that hammer and that knife? Just make sure you give her a big old piece of chicken when she might forgive you for smoking out her clothes. She worked all morning. She worked all morning cleaning them clothes and you just smoked them out. Her husband gonna go to work tomorrow, put his shirt on and be like, what the hell? Smell like chicken. Deserts down in Mexico. That's right, Santa. I'm
the one cooking, you're the one sit down in there.
That's because I'm the king, baby. You got one option with me, and that's love it. Folks, we moved in. Within 2 days, we smoked up the whole backyard in a epic, like, I don't know, what time is it, baby? Noon barbecue?
1.
1? Okay, we started a little late, so it's a 1 p.m. barbecue. My God. I feel bad, but like I said, you know, once she eats our cooking, forget all about that, you know? Got me a cigar. Shout out to you, Duke, man. I hope you're doing well. Drink me a cold BSing in the Yeti koozie. Keep that shit cold as ice, my friends. I got my man from Converge over here. He's my neighbor. He just lives like a block now. Trying to help me get my shit started. Shout out to all the folks at Converge. Converge is the best internet in the Philippines, if I haven't said that. It's Holy Week, so I didn't expect anybody to come over here and try to hook my internet up on Holy Week. Boom, they were here the next day. I'm still not hooked up, but hey, it could have been a lot worse. They could have just said, hey, no, we're not doing any installs, so after Holy Week. That burnt chicken smells delicious, baby. Put that smoke on me, folks. I'm like smoking it up like Kevin in the soup up there in Montana. Shout out to you, Kevin, man. I'm going to come down and see you, brother. Hope everything's going well in your world. Haven't seen you in a while. And I'll come see you, man, but you gotta come over here and hang out with me under the guava tree. Underneath the guava tree. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Folks, life is good here in the Philippines. It's all good. Tonight, I'm gonna be cooking a creamy Diablo with a little bit of twist to it. I gotta cook it outside because I don't want to make everybody in the house here cry. But I got it all set up. I may not video that, but I'm gonna tell you, I'm looking forward to eating that creamy Diablo tonight. I promise you. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. What?
You're the one cooking here. It's hot.
Yeah, baby, it's hot. I'm over here getting smoked out. Like I'm in a teepee doing a sweat. So I think over there yakking you because you smoked out our clothes.
Okay.
Sorry about that, baby. But she gonna bring you some. She gonna bring you some chicken. You gotta try our chicken.
Honey, you're the one.
Put some water on there, baby. Honey, you see me working, talking to my folks out here. I can't come over there and run the grill.
I'm not eating na.
Okay, don't eat. Why you not eating?
I am not eating, so I'm not cooking here.
Why you not eating? You not hungry? Good job, baby. Thank you. Folks, Janice is such a wonderful lady. She's such a wonderful lady. But sometimes she gets angry at me for no reason. When I say I got stressed with these two Filipinas, I'm not lying. Folks, I got stressed with these two ladies. Imagine you got one lady yakking at you, now you got two ladies yakking at you. Imagine having two beautiful ladies yakking at you. Yakking at you in Tagalog when you don't even understand what the hell they say. I got stressed, I promise you. But I can deal with it the only way I know how. A beer, cigar, lay out here under the guava tree and smell this barbecue. Oh yeah, got the king on the grill. Janice done got these charbroiled. Oh yeah, look at that, my friends. Shout out to my buddy Roland, man. Sent me these Lamson Sharp barbecue tools. These are the best barbecue tools you could buy. Look at that. That is outright quality, made in America right there. Shout out to you, brother. I hope you're doing well. Lamson Sharp. Man, beautiful barbecue tools. You want some barbecue tools? Buy that shit right there, made in America. Screw the Chinese. The BBC right there, big beautiful corn. You may proceed, madam. Well, we can't see you painting them because you got the bowl in the way. There you go, baby. Now we learn how to will.
Lahat na lang kayo.
Say it again, baby. I got the camera on you now. Folks, you want to see an angry Filipina? Look at that face. I'm not even sure why she's angry. Baby, can you tell the camera why you're angry? Who the hell could get angry when they're barbecuing chicken and corn? I don't understand it, folks.